How to make $480,000 a year in the mortgage industry without buying a single lead or cold calling or chasing. 40 times 4 equals 160. It's the magic of math in the mortgage industry when it comes to referral partner marketing. Now, when you're reaching out to referral partners, if you can get 40 qualified referral partners to send you just 4 deals a year, that's 160 deals a year. If you're making $3,000 per deal, that's $480,000 a year with referred, going to buy high quality leads that come to you endorsed by a referral agent, a real estate agent. Now, how do you get the qualified agent list? Well, we're including it for free inside your loan officer CRM.ai subscription. And we're including 300 qualified agents a month inside your system. Plus you get access to look at all of the data inside the system. That is a $199 a month product. And if you buy before the end of the month, we're giving you full access to that system inside your CRM for free.